In this video, I will show you how to get clients on Upwork. Firstly, deliver your best work every time. Providing high-quality work consistently is crucial for building a positive reputation on Upwork. Clients are more likely to hire freelancers who consistently deliver excellent results. Actively engaging with the platform by submitting proposals, updating your profile, and participating in discussions helps increase your visibility and attract clients' attention. Your profile is your digital storefront on Upwork. Optimizing it involves showcasing your skills, experience, and expertise effectively to attract potential clients. Specializing in a specific niche or industry allows you to stand out from the competition and position yourself as an expert in your field. Clients are more often willing to hire freelancers who specialize in their particular needs. Tailor your proposals to each job posting by highlighting relevant skills and experience. Customizing your proposals show clients that you have taken the time to understand their needs and increases your chances of getting hired. Upwork offers a feature called Connects that allows you to apply for job postings. By using your connects wisely and targeting jobs strategically, you can increase your chances of standing out other applicants. Your portfolio is a powerful tool for showcasing your skills and expertise to potential clients. Make sure to include high-quality samples of your work that demonstrates your abilities and past success. Feedback from clients serves as a social proof of your abilities and helps build credibility on Upwork. Don't hesitate to ask satisfied clients for feedbacks, as positive reviews can attract more clients in the future. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.